All residents are advised to take shelter immediately. Secure your home, stay indoors, and move to the safest interior room away from windows. Follow instructions from local authorities and stay tuned for updates. This is a life-threatening situation. Stay safe and remain in shelter until further notice. Barricade all doors and windows, and seal all ventilation. To stay safe, you should be exposed to as little outside air as possible. Maintain a low temperature within your home. Open fridges and freezers to reduce the temperature of your home as much as possible. Do not use air conditioning or ventilation to make your home colder. Avoid contact with outside air. Keep the device you are using to watch this message on, and pay close attention to any future alerts. Until an all-clear message is delivered, remain inside. A dangerous pathogen is in your area, and you must follow the guidance within this message to stay safe. Do not leave your home. The most important thing for you to do at this moment is shelter in place. This pathogen is spread mostly through physically touching an infected person. If you stay inside, you will be safe. A secondary method of infection is through spores released by infected persons. Limit your exposure to outside air. Infection may proceed more quickly if your environment is warm. Maintain a cold environment to stay safe. Animals may also be infected by this pathogen. Keep any family pets outside if they are not in your home with you already. The first symptom of infection is a red skin rash covering your body. Then, skin blemishes resembling scars will cover your body. This may take anywhere from 5 hours to 5 minutes, depending on the temperature of your environment. If you notice any of these symptoms, immediately remove the infected person from your home. Any infected person is a threat to those around them. Protect who you can by taking the infected person outside your home. After the skin blemishes completely cover the body, the victim will die suddenly and become a virulent infection vector. When an individual has been terminated by the anomalous pathogen, they will be reanimated within 3 minutes. When reanimated, they will rapidly transform, growing extra limbs, deforming existing features, and becoming unrecognizable. These individuals should be considered deceased. They are no longer your friends, family, or pets. Stay inside to stay safe and secure. Do not let any of these entities inside. If they break inside, you must defend yourself. Use fire or firearms. Cutting implements are ineffective and will risk your exposure to the anomaly. Your area may be overrun by transformed victims of this anomalous pathogen. Stay in shelter and remain quiet. The situation will be brought under control as quickly as possible by local, national and non-governmental authorities. Follow all guidance within this alert to stay safe. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.